everybody. Welcome to my English grammar class. Thank you very much for your presentation, staying at home and visiting on online class. Okay? Okay. So, are you ready? Yes, let's watch on the board. Okay? Number is Meena does the work. Meena does the work, and then second line, the work is done by Meena. So, look at the word, look at the sentences and carefully. Meena does the work. Is it active or passive? Any kind of sentence? Okay. Is it active mode? Okay. And second sentence, the work is done by Meena. Okay. So, this is the active mode and this is the passive mode. So, of course, today's topic is, you can say, okay, today's our topic is voice change. Okay, so as a transformation, voice change. Voice change. It is to transfer. It is to change, or it is to transform voice, especially for class 6 to 8 today. Okay. So normally we have to follow the initial class voice change. Okay. So you have to carefully, and then next, after learning the grammar session, the students, that means you will have to able to express or able to define voice, to define active and passive voice, to transform from active to passive, to make the sentence as voice. Okay. So now try to define voice. Okay. Okay. We know that voice is that form of a verb which shows whether what is denoted by the subject does something or has something done to it. Okay. Especially, look at again next examples. I read a book. Can you say, okay, object a book is, because this is a present indefinite tense, so a book is read by me. Okay. It is mentioned that every verb, each verb has an object, so it can be used as a passive form. Okay. there is no object or intransitive verb, it is not possible to transform active or passive. Generally. Okay. So, active voice. Can you say what is active voice? This is active mode. This is active mode. Of course, a verb is in the active voice. Okay. A verb is in the active voice when its form shows that the person or thing denoted by the subject does something. Okay? Denoted by the subject does something. This is subject I and this subject Meena. And verb, so denoted by the subject and does something. Okay? So it is active voice. It is active voice and it is also active voice. Active voice. So, what's the classification of the voice? Yes, there are two kinds of voice change. Can you say? Okay. Okay. Voice. That means one and another kind. This is active voice, and that is passive voice and passive form. Okay. So, what is passive form or passive voice? Okay. Next, it is mentioned that a book is read by me. A book is read by me. That is passive mode, because after subject and then to be verb and then B3 verb past participle form and then any kind of preposition, appropriate preposition, and then object. Okay, this is the object. So we can say a verb in the passive voice when its form shows that something is done to the person or thing denoted by the subject. Okay? I hope you can say. It is certainly that what is active voice and what is passive voice. Okay? So let's practice. Okay. Before practice, going to practice, then follow the chart. Active and passive. Okay? That is to follow. Active and passive. And this is the chart. So following the chart, we have to practice from active to passive form. Okay? Okay. Next. My dear students, how to transform from active to passive? So, following the general 6 rules, already it is said by me. We have found 6 rules. Okay, look at number A, 6 rules. Number A, object of the active voice as a subject. Number B, verb is used according to the tense and subject. Okay, and B3, that means past participle form of verb, such as done or read, etc., written, etc., etc. Okay. Number D, and then any kind of preposition, appropriate preposition, by, to, with, at, in, etc., etc. Okay. Number E, subject of the active mode as an object, because subject I and then passive mode, object as an object, me. Okay? So remember this. Subject and object, of course, you have to remember. Okay? And then sometimes extensions, if given. Okay? So now let's practice. According to the tense with assertive sentence and question sentence. Okay? Ready? Yes. Let's practice our presentation.
11 minutes.
Our presentation. Look at the board. I am doing it. Okay. Okay. Now it is being, because ing form, so it is being done by me. Is it right? I hope you have done. Okay. Number B. Next. She can do it. Okay. Yes. Passive form it. This is modal verb following the chart. So it can be done by her. It can be done by her. Okay. So another some examples. Number C, Lina has finished her work. Okay. So its answer. Can you say? You would answer her work. Her work has, according to the subject, have or has been, yes, finished by Lina. Okay, finished by Lina. Okay. So following the chart, you can do some examples easily. And question sentence. Now look at question. Yes. Number A. Who did it? Answer. Passive form. If who, then by or to or with whom. So by whom, and this is the past tense, so we can use was it done, okay. And don't worry, it is difficult, no, but it is mentioned that by whom or with whom or to whom according to the verb. Okay, because did, this is the verb, so by whom. Was it done? Was it done by whom? Lastly, but in the question sentence, passive form, firstly by whom. Okay. Yes. Then another item. So whom do you want? Whom do you want? And we know that it is home, so only who dot dot by. So who is wanted. This is the main verb. We can say this is the main verb. So who is wanted. It is omitted. Okay. Who is wanted by you. Who is wanted by you. Yes. And then another question. Another question. How have you taken this? How have you taken this? Okay. So is it accurate? How? Just like how. So WS word home, without this, any kind of WS word, all these words are same in the active or passive mode. Okay. So how, and at first you look at this object and this subject. So how this has, okay, we can use how has this, not have. How has this, and next been taken by you. Okay. How has this been taken by you? Okay. So question sentence, WS question word sentence, already it is given in the chart, assertive sentence and question sentence. So only question sentence, WS question I have discussed. And then instead of by, another example, because who knew me, not knew. This is correctly pronounced knew, not knew. Okay. So, and this is the past form. So we can say after known to. So to whom was I known. It is very important for you because many students have done wrong. Yes, to, not by. Many students have done wrong. After known to, and then to can be used at first. Okay? So, for the next time and next, after a long time discussion, okay, I hope you can do easily transform from active to passive. As a transformation in the question paper, English grammar part for class 6 to 8, especially, it is the easiest method. So 6 to 8, but for class 9, 10, they can show this. Okay. So after discussion, and then of course staying at home during Corona time, and then you have done your homework, short homework. Okay, no problem. transform the sentences active or passive. Okay, look at the board, and there are 10 sentences. Some are active and some are passive. So you can do transform from active to passive. Okay. Okay. So thanks to all of you. Everybody, you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Thank you very much.